Alaikum rahmatullah. Welcome to everyone, Super Global Host. Today I show how can we manage a dates selling and purchasing process or from a producing environment to how can we sell it. So here you can see some image. In first image you see there are some seller, they sell dates, and some buyer they are buying. So they are buying by cartoon. So they load this cartoon in one vehicles. So maybe each vehicle there are 1000 or 10,000, any number of cartoon they put there. So each vehicle they put some amount of dates. So we can consider each vehicles as a lots number to track them. So in system we will show how can we do this. After selling this one, the buyer what he do, he come in see in second image, they store it in a primary warehouse. So maybe you have two or three warehouse. So at first they store it in primary warehouse, and after that they transfer it in sales warehouse, and from sales warehouse in the third image you see they are selling this one, and selling they can maintaining one lots number to track which from which how they, where they are stored it, and from where it they sell it. So in this full process we are now showing in our system. So I am now go to our system. Here I need to log in. So in this system, I already go this link, and here I now I am logging. I put the username and the password, and click the login. So now I am logging in the system. After logging, at first I check our product. So from anywhere I can check. I go to purchase apps, and from there I click product. So here you can see I already add here one product. The product name Ajwa A plus. This is one dates. If I open this one, then we can see one hand we have 0 kilo. That means we have nothing now. We need to produce it, or we need to buy it. And here we mention the sales price 30 and purchase price 28. And here we set some inventory setting. That means how can we track this, we tracking we set by lots number. And we set some cartoons, and each cartoon how much we set there. For example, there we have two type of cartoon. First type of cartoon, there we can put 22 kg, and second type cartoon, this is there we can put 23 kg Ajwa A plus. We can add more here. If we click the edit button, then we can add more. Maybe we have 20, 19 or 24, we can mention there. And tracking by lots. So this is our some setting. After that now we go to create one purchase order. So from here I click on purchase order, and I click purchase. You see now this Ajwa plus we have nothing, so we need to purchase. So at first we need to select vendor. So for example, I type vendor means from where we buy. Any company, or from where we buy, we can set. So I create one vendor, I name him a vendor. Okay, so after that I need to select the product that I buy from this vendor. So I select one Ajwa A plus, and I mention here I want to buy 23 cartoons, and I can add another line. In this line we can also add 22 if we have, then we can also add those. And after that we need to how many cartoon we purchase from him, we can mention from here. For example, we purchase 50 cartoon. from this vendor. So how much this one, the amount is like this. This is the kilo, how much kilo of this 50 carton. So I have there 50 carton, and each carton I have 23 kg. So in total it was 1150 kg. So after that I can also set their tax, purchase tax here. After if it is all okay, then we can confirm this order. We can also manually change this quantity. For example, we can put here any other not this amount, we can put any other value here. Then it show one warning, that means you should this at, because it is multiplied by 23, so it give me one warning. So I can again change it to 50. We can also adjust it later from inventory adjustment. We can, if we have some slight adjustment, then we can do this one also. Here we can mention any comments or anything. After that I confirm this one. So after I confirm, the buyer he buy this one. For example, I am buyer, so I confirm this one, I buy this one. So after that I want to receive this product. So I need to click here to receive this product. I click the receive button. After click receive button, my demand is 1150. So how I purchase this amount of dates, that means Ajwa A plus, how I purchase this one. So I need to organize it in track wise, or here in software we make talk it as a lots. So I click here and I need to add a line. So here you see where it is stock. The stock is WHM. So before we also need to confirm where this is stock. So if we go to from here to inventory, and from configuration if we check warehouse, then we can see we have two warehouse here, one main stock warehouse and one sales warehouse. We previous we create this one, we can also create a new if we have. And location, the name of this location is WHM slash stock. So you need to remember it, WHM it is main stock and WHS it is sales stock. So I back here. So if I click here and click here, so it's a store where it is now storing WHM, that means this is main stock. WHM, this is main stock. So if I organize it, then those 1150, those store where it will be stored WHM, this physical location, that means this warehouse. After that I need to mention here one lots number. By this lots number I track this amount of dates, that is Ajo A plus I tracking it. So I provide here 001, this is one lots number, and by this lots number I want to purchase 30 kg. So in this 30 kg I have one tracking number, and I want to track another same warehouse. I want to 002, and here I want to put actually the amount is very big, so I need to increase it. For example, I can put here 600, and here I want to put the remaining, how much here remaining. 0 5 4. This is the remaining amount. So no, it is not same. I need to increase 100 more. Yes, now I quantity done is total. That means in first lot 001 I put there 600, and the lots number 2 I put there 550. So total now it is covered. That means I purchase this amount, and I organize it in two lots number. In my first lot there are 600 kg. In my second lots, this is the 002. Here I put 550, and I confirm it. So after confirm, I need to click on validate. So it is now validate this amount of 100 1150 I already purchased. So from here I can check. If I click product, then you can see on hand 1150. This is I already purchased. So if I click here and show the product move and open it, then I can see here from vendor to warehouse WHM. In first I have 600 kg, and again in lots 2 I have 550 kg. So it is now where in stock WHM. Now I want to this is my primary stock, so I want to transfer it to sales warehouse. It is my primary warehouse. I want to transfer it in my. Okay, so if I go to inventory, so here I get one option transfer. I just click this transfer, and here you see there already one transfer. This is one. Okay, I want to make a new transfer, so I click create, and here I need to type that trans operation type. Operation is, it is internal. That means one warehouse to another warehouse. So it is internal warehouse, main stock warehouse. I select this one. Here source location is, this is WHM, that is main warehouse, and the destination where I want to send it, I want to send it WHS, that is sales stock. I select this one, and I select the product also, and how much I want to transfer this one. We already purchased 1150, so within this one we want to transfer 900. So it is internal transfer. I put there 900, and I can also put here one contact name, and after that I need to click save. Here some additional information, so we can ignore this one. Save. So after save, I need to click mark as to do. So I click mark as to do, and now I need to check the availability. The we how much we have now? We have 1150. So must we have this part, so we can reserve this one. If it is we demand more than our reserve, for example our demand is 2000, then it show on red color. So it is we have this one. For that we just click on check availability. So it is available, it already reserved. We also see from which lots number how much we take to fill up this 900. So I click this one. You see here the software already suggest us in this way. So there have lots number 1 and lots number 2. So we can do in this way. That means from lots number 1 we can take 600, and from lots number 2 we can take 300. In lots number 2 we have more than 300. There we have around 550. So we can take in this way, or we can change. We can also change, put any number here. For example, we can take here 600, and here we can take, we keep same, but we can also change it. So we keep same, that is suggest here, and after that we click on confirm. So it is done. We validate this transfer. Here you see you are going to deliver this one. So you proceed. I will click confirm. Here I show you by one product, that is Azua A plus. You can add here more product here. So internal transfer is done. If we check this product, if we click here, you see the total amount 1150, it is not changed. Why? Because it is internal transfer within same company, internal transfer. So total amount will be same, but product is moved. So how product is moved, we are now showing. You see WHM main stock to WHS 600 from lots 1, and from lots 2 you can track also by lots number. See lots here from main stock to 300. So it is internal transfer. For that total amount remaining same. Now we want to sell this from stock 2. In stock 2, how much we have now? In stock 2 we have now 900. 600 into 300 plus 300, 900. So now we want to sell this some amount from stock 2, that is warehouse, sales warehouse, from sales warehouse. So from here we need to go to sales, and we need to create one quotation, sales order. Create. Here we put one customer name. For example, I put here customer. You can put your customer name here, and here you need to select the product, and now you also can select it by cartoon, how much cartoon you want to sell. For example, I want to sell in this time 30 cartoon. So 30 cartoon, it how much? 960. So how much we have? We have in warehouse. If we just check which warehouse now, select here. Here in main warehouse selector. So we need to change it to sales warehouse, because we want to sell from sales warehouse. So in sales warehouse we have how much we have? 900. So within 900 we want to purchase, we want to sell 690. So this is the amount, and here we can also add the sales tax. If we add the sales tax, then it will be add here. So we add this sales tax here, and same time in the purchase, this time also we can add this purchase tax, or we can automatically set this, then it will be automatically add. So in this time I just did not put this one. So after that we can apply here some discount. If we want, we can apply here some discount. For example, there are 30 cartoon, so you can apply some discount to each cartoon have some weight. So we can give some discount to label this one. For example, I select the amount, and after that here I can put some amount. For example, I put here 30. I want to give some discount here. Why? Because each cartoon have some weight. So this customer also take with cartoon. So those cartoon weight should be minus from the main weight. So you can calculate. After that, you put this amount, what amount of discount you want to give him. So I put this one, and after that I confirm this one. After confirm this one, I need to deliver it to customer. So I need to click this deliver button, and after click this deliver button, I need to validate it. You see here, here automatically they suggest this way 900 sorry 690, that is total 690. We need to click here operation, and also we can select in which lots how much we want to give. You see, in first lots we can give from 600, and from the lots 2 we can give 90, but I want to change this one. For example, I want to take 500 from lots 1, and lots 2 from here I want to take 190. So in total this will be same. Here I have on red color, they show like this. If we click confirm, so it taking in this lots number. So from here we can validate, and we confirm this one. So it is confirmed. So how much we sell? We sell 690 kg. How we sell? In lots number, from lots number 1 we sell 500, and from lots number 2 we sell 190. So now we check the product, how much, because we purchase, if we have calculator, we purchase how much, 1150, and internal transfer no change, but we sell how much, 690. So how much we remaining, this as well, a plus 460. So if we check the product, yes, so 460 we have remaining. If we check the product move here and click on product move, open this one, then we can see everything what are happening for this product. See, at first in vendor to warehouse, there are by 2 lots we get this amount, and after that we have internal transfer this one, and the last 2 row it show from stock to customer. You see, per customer, it we sell this one. So this is one tracking. We can also track it by here, if we go to inventory, we can also track this by lots number. If I click this one, we have 2 lots. So what happening in lots 1, if I click and click on traceability, then we can see, you see here WHS, that is S, sales or out means from here I stock to customer. So lots, it start from the below, this is number 1, from vendor to stock we purchase 600 by the name of lots 1. After that what we do, we from stock to stock, that means from main stock to our sales stock we sent how much, 600. And then last, from sales warehouse to customer we sell how much? 500. This is happened for under lots number 1. So we track what happening on lots 1, that we purchase 600. And you remember by lots number 2 we purchase how much? 550 kg vendor to stock. Then stock to stock, that means after purchasing it is main stock to secondary stock, it go how much? 300. And then from stock to customer it go how much? 190. So everything we have in I, what is happening here, so everything we can understand by from here. Also we have some reporting. If we want to check those reporting, there we have some useful reporting. For example, if we have the first reporting, multi packages inventory, if we click here and we select the product, now we have only one product. And also we can select category, yeah, any category you can select, click on print. Okay, so here you see Ajwa A plus, this is quantity how much? 640. Why it shows 640? Because now I have 640. If I open this product, see on hand 640. So it show the present one, that how much I have now. I have now 460. So if 460 I have which cartoon? 22 cartoon. This is 20 cartoon, that is I have can arrange it in this way, that is 22 cartoon we can put this amount, then I can put it in 20 cartoon. Also you can put it in 23 cartoon, no problem. This is just one simple report. This one kind of report, we have many kind of report. For example, stock card, just we click this stock card. Here you can select any period. Here we can select product, then we can select location. For example, we select a main location. What happened there? Main warehouse. If I click view, here we can download two-way PDF and Excel sheet. So if I download on PDF, then from here at first I need to select this product, and then I need to select this location and click on export PDF. So it download on PDF. Here we can see the date, which date, and the reference. This is warehouse in, first one how much? 1150. Balance this one, then out how much? 900. So balance remaining how much? 250. This is showing stock card, that means how much I have stock now. This in is 1150, out is 900. So now how much I have? 250 now. So this is for which WHM, that is the main warehouse. And if I check another warehouse, if I click export PDF, and I see now sales warehouse, what I had now, here is now like this. This is 1150 in, and from here we out how much? This is also in, in 2 is in, this is balance is 250. So this is for WHM, that is main warehouse. I select here main warehouse, WHM. I need to select WHS. Okay, now I click export. Okay, so this is the this one is first one is this is main warehouse. Both are main warehouse. Now I see the sales warehouse. What are happening there? This is 900 we in 900, how we in internal by internal transfer, and after that we sell from there how much? 690. So how much remaining? 210 in sales warehouse. So in this way we can understand in each warehouse how much we have now. So this is the report. We can also check inventory report. It show broad things. For example, everything we can check from here. This is the main warehouse and this is our sales warehouse, and what happening there, everything is showing there. And if I open any one, here we can also filter. For example, if I click here, and we can filter by lots number. For example, if we click this one, then it filter by lots number. Also here we can filter. Again I go to inventory report, I open this one. Okay, then from here I can select. Here also custom filter option. So by this custom filter option we can filter many things. If I clear this one, then all is showing. And from here we can also filter on hand. On hand how much? We can also filter positive stock how much. Many option here. So this is inventory report. So we have those kind of report here to see what happening in our stock. So this is the overall thing. I again tell how you make this one, that we show this on image here. At first we buy this from the seller, and after that we store it in one warehouse and we transfer it another warehouse, and from the sales warehouse we sell it, and we track it by one lots number. So this is the full process to manage one dates factory or dates. If we have any manufacture type operation, for example, you want to from one packet to another packet, or then we need to use this one. From my another video I explain how you I use this one. Here we just showing how we manage our total inventory. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, then please give one comment. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. And also if you need a similar any application, then tell. This application integrate with Zatca. So you can also from here I just in quickly I also show you how can you make invoicing from here. If we go to sales, see this is amount we go to sell. So here after up to come this one, we have there one option create invoice. So we also add the sales tax here also, and we click on create invoice. And we want to make one regular invoice, create and view invoice. So this invoice is created, and after that we can preview or we can confirm this one. We just confirm this one. If we confirm, then one QR code is generated and we can see this invoice from by clicking here. So this is the invoice. So here two option, we can print it or we can download it. So we download this one. So invoice show like this. Also we can also pay to the vendor. How we pay? We go to purchase where we create one quotation. We open this one, and here also we want to add this purchase tax. This is 15%, and after that we want to create one vendor bill. So I click on create bill, and here we can apply one discount. But why we want to give this discount? Because we purchase some kg, their dates here also include the weight of cartoon, so we expected some discount from the seller. For example, in this case we want to the seller, he give us in total, you just calculate it, and you can put the amount. For example, he give 500, so it is apply here. I confirm this one. We need to give on date, so I just put on date and click on confirm. And it is done. If you are give this payment, then you need to click this register payment option, and in how much you pay, you select bank or cash. For example, I give cash. For example, you did not give the total amount in this time. You that this is total how much? 23,000. This one you want to give 20,000, and remaining you give later. So you just click create payment. Here you see out of this one you provide this one and amount due, this one, this is showing there. And the same way, this is a vendor bill. That means you are purchasing and you give money, and the selling, where you sell to your customer and you take the money. Here also you can do same thing. I open same quotation and invoice. Here also you found the register payment option. So for example, you also take here from cash. If you take the full amount at a time, then you keep total. But if you take it by, you give offer, your client, he can give you by at one or two time. Then for example, in first time he will give you 50,000. Then you can click create payment. Here it is showing, that means how much out of this one 15,000 he giving, this is remaining. And if I click the preview and check this invoice, here also show this one 15,000 and amount due this one. And if I back and open this invoice, and after 1 week or 1 month he is back, and he give this rest of amount, then again you click register payment. Here automatically show how much remaining, this one. Again I take it in cash. If he give in bank or sabaka, then you take this one. And here you see date is mentioning in which date he give how much. Now amount due is 0 because I take full money. So this is the full amount, full process. How can we manage everything by one software? So in Saudi Arabia, everywhere we have a customer, and they are using this software, and they are all they are satisfied. So if you need a similar thing, then tell. Also we provide customization. If you need any demand or you need any requirement, also we can give providing you that things. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.